Wait. No, you took too long. Our guest, introduce. No, you took too long. Our guest, introduce yourself, please, bro.
Good evening, greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty Ali Selassie King.
Yeah! Hey, fall back. Let him finish. Let him end.
No, we can't interrupt your thing. That's no Brock White season 5.
No, nobody interrupts your Brock Island.
When the spirit take you, I feel let it go, you know.
No, you know what? No.
Yeah.
You know what? You're right.
I don't want to rebuttal it. But also,
But you just
no,
rebutted
just no, bruv. We don't interrupt your thing.
Do it again. Go again.
Start again, Brickman.
Let's greet them in the name of His Imperial Majesty, King of Kings, conquering lion of the tribe of Judah, light this world, elect of himself, and the balance of creation, Empress Menin, Jah
Rasatfari. You have to get in the...
No, he's right. When you hear the Jah, you're meant to jump in.
How many...
Do you know what it is? It's because as people, we're a rhythmic people, the ebb and the flow of the universe. So it's call and response.
What channel?
So you know, like, for
No.
example, you're going to church and you
Yeah,
say, God is good, they say all the time.
Oh, that's very
If
true.
you go and speak to a Muslim brother, you say, salam alaikum.
Yeah, alaikum salam. All right, say no more.
It's the call and response, because as people, we're just in tune.
And we say? And you say? We say?
Jah Rasatfari.
All right.
Say no more.